This video is going to go over tying the taut-line hitch. What you'll need is a rope and something to tie it around. In this case, I got my lucky stick. So what you'll need is only one end of the rope. We'll have the working end and we'll have the rope. So first step, go around the object that you want to tie the knot on. Now to tie the taut line, you're going to start like you're tying your shoe, but we're going to keep it, let's give myself more slack. I'm going to tie it around the rope, and this is what's called 1/2 hitch. That's the knot around your shoe, but we just pull it so it's nice and tight. That is a 1/2 hitch. Now to continue the taut line hitch, we're going to go through one more time. You'll notice that the working end or the free end kind of tells you where it wants to go. Hey! So now we got 2 on the inside of the loop around our object. Now the third one, we're going to go around the outside. We're going to make it look nice and neat. Tighten it up. It's a very stiff rope. Try not to make too much noise. So we're going to tighten it up. And now we have the taut-line hitch. Now what's useful about this nut is as I adjust this, let's say my tent stake is up here, and I pull on the rope, it's not going to tighten. These 2 on the inside of the taut line are actually keeping the rope from sliding, but if I remove the pressure of it, it then easily slides up or down. So where I've used this a lot is for tent stakes or putting up a tarp. You can have something that manually adjusts. So let's say you want it nice and tight during the day, and then at night you want to loosen it up, or vice versa. It's too loose and you want to tighten up a tarp. You just pull it up there and then bang, good to go. So that's the taut-line hitch. Very useful nut. If you want to learn how to tie the 2 1/2 hitches or any other nuts, be sure to hit that like button and write in the comment below what you want to learn. Till next time, find time for adventure.